This is not powder. Remember, eggshell powder can be given to dogs as a natural calcium supplement. You want to prepare eggshell powder. These are just eggshells, so we have to crush them. Hey everyone, if you are enjoying this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps me out and let me know what you want more. So I'm just gonna crush them like this. We're almost there. It's not yet powder. This is almost powder. Let me crush it again. This is what I'm talking about. Are you ready? Powder. This is powder. Can you see that? This is what I'm talking about. This took me 5 minutes. Try this at home.